Hi and welcome everybody to a new video on Valentine's Photo Paradise. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'll be showing you how to load film into a Canon F-1. This is the Canon F-1 new. If you have the old version of the F-1, just follow along. It's pretty much the same. So what you want to do is to open the back. You have to press this button right here and then pull up this lever and just pull on it. On my camera it is unfortunately kind of hard to open the back, so there we go. It just clicked and now we have an open back. What you want to do now is pull this up again by once more pressing this button and then pulling it, so now you can insert the canister. I've actually never shot a roll through this F1 since I have an old one, but I want to give it a shot, and today I'm going to be shooting some Fuji Superior Extra 400. It's expired in 2012. It's 2023 right now, and I'm thinking about shooting it at ISO 100. So let's get started. You just put the roll in here, push this down one more time, and then take as much film as you need in order for it to go right into this little slit right here. Let me show you. Just like that. Push it a little bit, you know, make sure it's nice and snug. And now what you're gonna do is shoot a frame. You can hold this spool right here just to make sure that it gets enough pressure, and as we can see, there we go. It's nice and snug. You can see it's perfectly aligned right here. The little sprockets are catching it, and the pressure plate is going to do the rest for us. So now we just close the back and we're ready to shoot. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more about the F1, especially how to use the F1, click the link in the description, and have a wonderful day. Have fun with your beautiful Canon F1. Get some nice shots and take care, everyone.